My name is Ben Hargrave. I am the principal at Estacada Middle School. Go Tigers! I am sitting in my office right now, and I have two fantastic secretaries, Joella Finch and Bailey Knutson, working hard, and I'm next door to my awesome vice principal, Deb Wexler. We are doing great things here at the middle school. I wanted to briefly inform you about the events happening here at the middle school and what we are doing to improve student outcomes and prepare our students for the 21st century. We are currently asking our students to take the MAP assessment in both math and ELA. MAP is the measurement of academic progress. The great thing about what we are doing in our system right now, during homeroom, we are asking our students to look at their data, to track their data. How are they growing in their skills? And if they are not showing growth, what can we do and what goals can we set to help students grow their skills? So we're going to be taking the MAP test now for the next 2 weeks. Another structure that I've put in place this year is a regular site council. We have about 8 families that are consistently meeting during the first Monday of each month to talk about what we can do as a family parent organization to support our teachers and our students and what's happening in the classroom. And so during site council, we've talked about what a classroom observation looks like. And so I've taught this family, the site council, to look at absentee data, to look about freshmen on track data, to look at SBAC scores and MAP scores, trying to educate our site council on what it means to be a school nowadays, because schools look differently today than they did 10, 20, 30 years ago, and that's been a really positive experience. This upcoming site council, we're going to be looking at some data. I sent out some surveys to families regarding homework and Chromebook, and the data that I received was very showing. I learned that we need to rethink how we are using our Chromebooks in schools and how we are asking our students to use Chromebooks at home. And so during these upcoming site council meetings, I'm going to be asking for family feedback and asking the question, should we be bringing the Chromebooks back into the school? And if the answer to that question is yes, which the data shows that the answer is yes, we should bring them back into school, then what can we do as a staff, teachers and administration, to use that technology appropriately? And I'm really looking forward to working with our families and our teachers to get the ball rolling on that. Our PLCs are rolling the way that I want them to be rolling. We are asking the right questions. We are working collaboratively and to ask ourselves, what can we do to support student needs so learning happens and so achievement improves? Our teachers are talking about rigor. Our teachers are asking what skills are necessary in the 21st century. Our teachers are working together to find what is relevant for our students and how to make content relevant for our students. If you ever have an opportunity to come in on Wednesday afternoons and sit in a PLC, I highly recommend that you do so. There are some great conversations happening about students and how we need to be teaching them so they find success. We are going to welcome professionals into our classrooms. And what I mean by that is we are hoping that teachers go visit other teachers and observe their teaching. And this pineapple chart is a logistic system that asks teacher X to go visit teacher Y. And what we're going to do is we are going to ask that it is a get one, give one system in which when the teacher is observing a classroom, they give one piece of advice but also take one instructional strategy to use in their own classroom, and there's dialogue about teaching, which is what we want. We have an upcoming artist in residency with Ellen White. She will be starting her work with our 7th grade students in February. Our essential question is, how does ancient Africa impact our world today. And so both our science and our social studies PLCs are going to be working with Ellen to infuse in their teaching art, music, any sort of hands-on experience to answer that very question. How does ancient Africa influence our contemporary world? And I'm really looking forward to her being here working with our students.